Welcome, welcome, welcome all you precious treasures out there. It's Mama T here with Clark, and today we're doing a box opening. What are we opening today, Clark?
A drone I just bought.
With his own money and everything. All right, open it up.
Oh, it looks so cool.
What? It's so spacey looking.
I know, it's like from Mars.
So, Clark, tell me about what this is. What's it called?
It's called the Airhog Supernova.
And what made you choose this over other drones?
It just looks super cool.
It does look super cool. And so what is different about this one?
So it actually doesn't take a remote control.
What? Okay, so how do you control it?
These red dots here look like they're just like bolts to make it all sturdier, but they're actually sensors that you use. Like, see, like if I put my hand under it, then it would float up. On the side, then it would go that way.
You control it with your body. Wow.
You can do tricks and stuff with it.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, so tell me about your first impressions before we've charged it.
I think that it's just super, really cool.
It's really light, isn't it?
Yeah, it's...
Hardly weighs anything, which makes sense because it's gonna fly, we hope. All right, we're gonna charge it up. You guys don't have to wait through that though. We'll catch you back here in a minute. All right, we've got it all charged up, ready to give it a try. You wanna turn it on?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Go for it. It's like the tiniest little on switch that you've ever seen.
Okay.
You gotta really like
I did it.
get in there. Ooh, it's blinking.
Oh, it's blinking colors.
That startled me. That's got some serious power to it.
It's like insane.
All right, try again, try again.
I want to try tossing it because it said that.
Wow.
So hard to control.
Okay, so first impression.
Really hard to control. Will take some practice, but that's exactly what they said, that it would take like some real hard work.
So they like
patience.
warned you that it would take patience to figure it out. Okay, let's try again. Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Okay. You're right, it is a little scary.
Yeah,
like,
oh, let it go. And now.
oh my gosh.
Not too hard, not too hard.
Whoa.
You just.
What'd I do?
I think you accidentally just did like a super trick or something. I think that's what it's
That
called.
calls for a victory pose. So there's some warnings on here. Keep fingers outside of cage while rotors are spinning. You think? Yeah.
Ah, I didn't know that.
And we both got our hair tied back. I don't know if you noticed that, but you want to keep your hair away from that sucker. Okay, so Clarky, tell me what a super trick is.
Okay, so super tricks are motions that you can do. If you take both of, how you enter the trick zone is by taking both of your hands and going to both sides simultaneously like that. So when you do that, then it enters the trick zone.
The trick zone.
And then what you can do is you can do like tricks, like so you can go, your right hand goes like that, and then you go under it. And then it'll do like a super spin. I'm pretty sure that might not be in the move that we were accidentally doing.
Neat. So it's all cool tricks that you can do and learn with it. All right, so what do you think of this toy? Do you feel like you made a good investment?
Yes.
Yeah, you're excited for it? That's awesome. Thank you for letting me be a part of this today, Clarky. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, I did too.
Bye, everybody. Yeah, victory pose. I really need to take a moment to thank all of you subscribers and viewers for taking part in my show. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the guests who have come on and for subscribing. Keep it up, everyone. Help our channel to grow so we can make more videos. And remember, remember, remember that you are a treasure. And we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. little sneeze there.